Where's his gas light? How do you know how much gas he has? I don't know. Maybe a fuel gauge comes up. Oh, it's a... There it is. Why you always lying?
Well, why you
fucking lying? Yeah!
Oh my God.
Always fucking lying. Oh my God, there we go, there we go, there we go. Look at that, that's what I need right there. A step. I think I'm getting the hang of it a little bit better. It's a little bit smoother. Sunny Florida. I can see myself living down here. Freaking been on the beach the past 3 days, and there's a lot of pretty views. I'm not just talking about the water. I think my personality is pretty outgoing and a little bit of a ladies' man, so what up, dude? Oh. It's just these mirrors, I can't really see much. Fuck, where's neutral? There we go. He doesn't mind. Oh my God, that's a little better. Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm getting hit by bugs or if it's sprinkling. Do the speed limit, see if James can catch up. Okay, here comes James. Back there, I see him. Oh yeah, he's trying to speed up. to do the Jingle Bells song with the throttle. I don't know if it actually sounds like jingle bells, but in my head it does. Plus it gets me to feel the torque. Where he wants me to go. There he is, he's behind me. The wind over you. I don't have a windscreen on my bike, so when I'm doing 120, I mean, I'm getting beat to shit. This it hit a 150 and it felt so comfortable, smooth. Wow, I could definitely end up in jail or body bag on this. Really would have to restrain myself fucking around too much. Fucking idiots. I could see myself doing that quite a bit faster. Oh, it's I go through this shit. know, everybody should ride a motorcycle. They just, at least once in their lifetime, they should have somebody show them and train them. And then, even if it's just an open parking lot, I don't think you get full experience of it in the parking lot, but everybody who's capable of riding should. It's such a visceral experience, a freeing experience. You gonna let me in, person? And then that's the only downside to riding a motorcycle is you're a small little thing. Look at that good-looking guy right there. Oh, I bet he's videotaping instead of taking pictures. I don't know if I finished what I was saying about riding a motorcycle. The experience of it, however, everyone should at least once in their life experience this feeling. You know, motorcycle riders, majority of them have this image of most people that don't ride, the way they view them. Oh, that's neat. And they kind of get that, especially Harley riders, get that live free, you know, not giving a fuck type attitude. And well, it's partially true, because when you ride a motorcycle, it's such a freeing experience. And when you strap onto a motorcycle, you start going fast, you're on highway, traffic. It's that die-hard attitude. I mean, it's dangerous. There's no doubt about the fact that riding a motorcycle can be and is very dangerous. And it's not so much because of me or the rider on the bike, it's everyone else. It's everyone else around you not paying attention, on their phone, eating, doing their makeup. I'll tell you one thing I see the most, almost as much as I see people texting or whatever the fuck they're doing on their phone, is doing their makeup. You know, I said earlier that I commute to work, and I'm always seeing women doing their makeup on the highway, definitely at stoplights. I mean, it's every stoplight. Most of my riding is on the highway. They will be doing their mascara or whatever the fuck that shit's called. It blows my mind, you know. Or you got somebody who thinks their destination is more important than my life. So yeah, there's this one time I was driving and this girl, she's probably high school age, who knows, she looked young, was just on people's asses, in and out of traffic, driving recklessly. And you could just tell she wanted to get where she was going, and she merged into me. My side view mirror hit her side view mirror. She got so close to me. And all I could think of was, well, one, what the fuck are you doing, stupid bitch? I even actually like kicked her door. Like I took my foot off the peg and just pa! Anyways, probably shouldn't have done that. That could have caused me a wreck, but I didn't, thankfully. And it's probably 45 miles per hour. I think was the speed limit, so that's what we were doing. I was just thinking, this girl, her destination is more important in my life, you know. If I wasn't paying attention, or there was a slip up. Oh, nice, it's raining. Oh my god, look at this rain up here. I'm about to be soaked. Ah, badass. The only problem is my visor, I'm not gonna be able to see through it. Well, you know what they say, sunny, sunny Florida. Now, this is a YouTube channel first for J2 Disco, riding in the rain. Oh yeah, my crotch is getting wet. Let's just hope I don't lay this motherfucker down, hit a wet oil spot on the road. It already feels a little loose. Wow. Ooh. My balls are getting wet. It feels kind of good, to be honest. Oh, there we go. I don't know if his GoPro is, the case that he has on it right now is waterproof though, so that's not good. I'm waterproof. I'm not necessarily wreck proof right now, but you know, the bike's gonna be fine in the rain. I'm gonna be fine in the rain. I think I'll stay in 6th gear. Try to keep that torque down. Oh yeah, and see, it's gone. That's crazy. The rain is done. Ah! Oh god. I want to wipe it, but I know if I wipe the visor, it's just gonna be stupid. The road's still gonna be a little bit slick. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Oh fuck, more rain, I think. Oh yeah, oh my god. See, motorcycle riding, one thing a lot of people don't know is it creates a gyroscopic effect. You know, this bike wants to stay upright. When you go into a corner hard and fast, say I'm turning right, you actually lean in to the right and push the handlebars to the left, because the bike wants to come back up. But you can't turn if your bike is upright. I think that makes sense. I'm sure people watching his YouTube channel are probably riders and probably understand how to turn on a motorcycle. At least sport bikes. I mean, I've only ridden one cruiser, Harley. Buddy's got a Dyna Wide Glide. I guess that's my technically the first leader bike I've ridden, but do you really count that as a leader bike, even though it's, I guess, I don't know, I think that thing was like 1100 cc's, 1200 cc's, but sure as hell doesn't feel like this. What up? Riding in the rain, riding in the rain. It's actually, it's kind of good. My balls are wet and the cold air is hitting it, and it's kind of humid and warm in Florida, so I know it's a little bit refreshing. I'm loving it. Best experience ever. I've ridden in the rain on my bike before, once, and that was kind of a shitty experience because on my way to work, the forecast said like 10% chance of rain. Well, I didn't care. I mean, when I walked outside, it was sunny, so I opened my garage up and got my bike out. Decided to ride to work, and there's a wreck on the highway that I take to work. I was just sitting there, dead stop traffic, and it just starts raining on me. I feel so free. Woo! You see the steam coming up? Well, I'll tell you one thing, the bike is cooling down a little bit. I don't know what the temperature gauge is saying, but I don't feel like it's, maybe it's just my legs are wet. Who knows? So now that I've been riding this, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes or so, I definitely feel a little tight in my shoulders. Nothing, I mean, it doesn't hurt bad. It's not that serious, but definitely leaning over like that, until I got used to it and built up those muscles, or maybe relaxed those muscles. I don't know if you've noticed, but James and I are both pretty jacked. We like to work out in our free times. Actually, I take that back, not free time. We make the time on a daily basis. Well, in his case, I think he does 3 days a week. I do at least 4, Monday through Friday. Sometimes I'll miss Friday because I'll have something to do. The lady would want to go out on a date, or who knows. What up? What sucks now about the rain though is I don't feel comfortable enough to just rip it right now, because I mean, he's got performance summer tires on here. Well, pretty much most motorcycle tires, especially on sport bikes, are going to be a dry, summer oriented tire. I mean, I know they make winter tires and all-terrain, or not all-terrain, all-season tires for motorcycles, but shit, this thing's got a 190/50 or 190 something on it. Fucking huge. Oh, I don't know if they make an all-season in that. Those are more of a track tires. So the fact that they're cold as fuck right now and it's wet, I just have no grip. I could feel that when I was on the highway. And the bike just kind of skidding around, scooting around, going where it wanted to. Oh, like right there, the front just, oh my god, it's twice. The front just wanted to wash out. That's why I just had to take that turn so wide. Wow, that was scary. Had to go open the visor a little bit to let a little bit of air in. It was fogging up on me. I don't know if you saw earlier. I don't know if you saw earlier how fogged up the windscreen was. Hey. Gosh, she was not pretty. What up, bro? Oh, that's a man. I'm not paying attention. I'm gonna get lost. Back tire just spun like a motherfucker. It's crazy what you feel when you ride a motorcycle. You're pretty disconnected in most cars, especially today's vehicles. They're so automated. I've always been a huge car person, and had a lot of different vehicles, and I had some pretty quick vehicles, cars that I've modified, but I always felt real disconnected from the ground. And until the vehicle that I own now, it's definitely a driver's vehicle, and I don't think I'm ever going to get rid of that car. It's just how connected you feel to the road. It's a Porsche, the Cayman, the mid-engine one, and I think that is I drove a Ferrari once, and that didn't even feel as connected to the road as my vehicle does. But a motorcycle trumps everything. I mean, I don't know, maybe those Ariel Atoms might be pretty hardcore to drive and feel everything, but I think a motorcycle is the way to go. Hey,